Yo, what's up? It's Good Bros Fishing here.
Got that chicken breast out here.
Making a little catfish bait.
You know? We about to have the catfish out here. That's where we at with
Yes, sir. Go ahead and mix that up.
I ain't gonna lie, the joint smell good.
You gotta throw a little bit more, a little bit more in there.
What? Which one?
The powder. All right, you should be good right there.
Is you still recording? I'm hitting that ass from the back, love bug. Good Bros Fishing. Yes, sir. That's what we do. Get it from pink to red.
Pull one of those out of there.